Sheikh Harith and the Last Coin. Moral story. In ancient times, there lived a pious old man known among the people as Sheikh Harith. He was of very old age, wrinkles covered his face, his hands trembled, yet his heart was so full of faith and conviction that anyone who sat with him felt peace. He often advised the people of his village about destiny, divine decree, and trust in Allah. One day, a severe famine struck the land. Food supplies in homes were exhausted, wells had dried up, and everything in the market had become extremely expensive. Sheikh Harith, too, had grown old and could no longer work hard. In his house, only one last coin remained, just a single coin. He sat thinking, what should I buy with this? Flour? Medicine? Or water? While he was thinking, there came a knock at the door. Outside stood a traveler, clothes torn, hungry, thirsty, and exhausted. The traveler said softly, "If you have anything to eat, may Allah reward you." The Sheikh Harith paused for a moment and thought, "This is my last coin. If I give it away, I will have nothing left. But if I don't, how will this hungry man survive?" At that moment, Allah's words echoed in his heart. Whoever puts his trust in Allah, He is sufficient for him. He handed the traveler the last coin and said, "My son, this is not from me, it is from Allah." The traveler thanked him and went on his way. The Sheikh Harith returned inside and sat quietly. The next morning, there was another knock at the door. He opened it to find a wealthy merchant from the village. The merchant said, "Sheikh Harith, yesterday I found an old calculation error in my records. Many years ago, you advised me regarding my land, and I profited greatly from it. I have decided today to repay your kindness." He placed a bag in the Sheikh Harith's hands. The sheikh was astonished. The bag was full of gold coins. So many that a person could comfortably live his entire life on them. A smile appeared on the Sheikh Harith's lips. He raised his gaze to the sky and said, "O Allah! For one coin I gave for your sake, you have blessed me with rivers of sustenance." Then the Sheikh Harith opened the bag, kept only a few coins for his own needs, and distributed all the remaining gold among the poor people of the village. The villagers, amazed, asked, "Why did you give away so much?" The Sheikh Harith smiled and replied, "The reward for goodness always returns multiplied." Dear children, this story teaches us that goodness never decreases. Whatever is given for the sake of Allah always returns multiplied.